Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and then also an installation so you can see how it looks like on the phone. And this is of a Supcase Unicorn Beetle case. This is one of the protective cases. I don't know if you've heard of them before. I always buy them because they protect the phones really, really well. At least in my opinion. I've never had any issues with it. You can see it's just wrapped. You just open it like that. You can see how the case looks like there. I guess you can see the hologram to make sure it's authentic. I did buy it from Amazon, but I'm sure there's other places you could buy them as well. And this is for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Okay, you can see how it opens up there. I'll put the case up over here on the side somewhere. They give you an instruction manual. You can see the case there. And then this is how the case comes protected. Okay, that's everything inside the box. And you can pull it out here. Get that out of the way. They do have different colors. I chose the green one for me in particular. I should take this off here. Well, you can see how it is laid out. I should have had the. Let me turn on the light again. Sorry about that. There you go. Okay, and you can see the protective case here. It does have one of these clips. I wonder why it's doing that. Nah, either way. Let me see if I could turn the light on from the phone itself. Okay, so you can see there. You can see how it's protected. Pop this portion out. This is one of the parts of the case. This is the inside. You can see this here. I'll show what this is right now. And you can see this here. Okay, so this is if you want to carry it like a clip. You can see there. I use these sometimes, mostly not unless I'm going to go out hiking or something, so it won't fall. But I usually normally just use these two portions here or the other side of the clip from the case. So you can see here the case is compatible with, and it shows you the S Pen. What is that? The Fold Edition, the Z Fold 5 Pen Fold Edition. What is this? Let's see what these are. Oh, I guess. Okay, there you go. You have an idea what it is. These, I guess, are protective cases for the pens themselves, if you do have a pen for the Z Fold 5. I'll give you 3 different colors. I don't know if you can tell on the video there, but it's kind of like, I guess, gray, so to speak, grayish. There's a light blue, and then this is the clear. So you can see there the phone. Now I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to read the instructions really quick and then do the installation. Okay, so I'm back, and you can see here, this is the part, one of the parts, I guess, from the protective case. And of course you remove this to put it on. And I was reading the instructions, and I don't know if you can see here, there's an adhesive strip that they provide. They provide 2 of them, and this is only for the case that has the screen protector. And this is so the dust, or to prevent dust from getting into the screen. So you install it basically alongside there. I don't know if you can see, if that's clear enough, how it would go after you replace it. And it's kind of like a little bit bumpy, I guess, to help prevent dust from getting under the screen. So let me go ahead and do that and then get it ready. Okay, so I don't know if you can see there, I removed the protective case that was on there originally. Get that out of the way. And then I removed this part here, which exposed this area here. It was kind of sticky, so it kind of guides you of where you need to put this on, and then you just peel this off. And then here is the protective guide for the phone. So let me go ahead and snap that on. There's the screen, and they do say that you need to do the bottom first and then the top. You can see how it snaps on there. And the second case, of course, you do it again, and it does specify that you do it from top to bottom, at least per the instructions. And you can see it there, kind of snapped on. There it goes. And you press it all around just to make sure it's on there correctly. And the light went off again. It's kind of weird. But you can see here how the phone is and how it looks like. Oh, there's a protective thing in the front as well that you remove. But you can see here how the phone looks like with the case on already. And it does have that little film here, so they do recommend that you kind of like press it down on this area, or at least slide it down. And this is just to make sure that this is where the dust would come in to help kind of prevent it. I'm not sure if it'll do it 100%, I'll find out. But you can see here how the phone looks like everything completely installed. Now let me just put this here. I'm gonna leave it kind of like this. You can kind of see how it looks like. It's kind of pretty cool. Hopefully it won't fall down. And I just wanted to show this area here of the phone. I'm gonna read to see where these would go. I wanted to show you how it would look like with this. Like I mentioned before, I don't really use these unless I'm going out somewhere where it's very dangerous, so to speak. And I don't want to have my phone in my pocket or anything like that. But I normally would carry it just with the regular case that comes with it. Okay, and then just a really cool feature about this that I wanted to show right now in the instructions. They have this little thing here where you would slide down, and this is where the S Pen would go, and then you just close it up for protection so it won't fall down. So I guess if you're going to have the S Pen, this is where you would need to have it, so you will need to carry both of them. I don't have an S Pen for that, so unless I get one, I'll start using this more often. But you can see here how it goes. And let me put it in because I'm sure people are going to ask how it looks like once it is inside. And there you go. This is the phone, and that's where you would clip it on. And then of course when you release it, kind of hard for that with one hand, but there you go. Here's the phone in its entirety. So let me know what you think about the video. Leave any questions or comments. Like I said before, I buy these Supcase cases because I've had them for other phones and I've never had an issue with them. And I've dropped my phones a couple of times and they've always come out clean. No damages. The case is what took most of the impact every time I dropped them. I'm not going to try to drop these more often, so to speak. But let me know what you think about the video. Robert's Video Machine. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on the video. I really appreciate it. Like it. And then check out my other videos as well. Thank you very much.